and the certificate is done. So I'm gonna take a look and see whether it's there. Okay, yep, it's there. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is David. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to migrate your front-end web application from Lovable that you have vibe coded to integrate into AWS infrastructure like Amplify. Okay, let's begin. So as you can see from my screen right now, I have this front-end web application that I'm trying to create and integrate with Bedrock, but that is for another video. What they have is they are using Superbase for authentication and database, and they also have this GitHub repo that I've integrated. So I'm gonna show you what I've done. So this is Lovable, and I vibe coded this front-end web application. So we have questions and stuff like this. So I'm gonna try to integrate into AWS Amplify. But before that, I'm just gonna show you how is it done. So I have already deposited the codes into this GitHub repository, and they are using Tailwind and NodeJS. So I'm gonna open my AWS console. And I'm in. Okay, so right now we're gonna click on Amplify. We're gonna click this button. We're gonna use the inbuilt authentication. We're gonna click next. Then you're gonna fill in your details. Okay, and you're in. Once you're in, you get to select your repository. So I've already registered, and I exclusively give it access to this repository. And I'm gonna click main. That's the only branch I have at this moment. I'm gonna click next. You can make changes to this if you have a backend. All in all, I feel that this is enough because I'm only deploying the front end. And if let's say you are a bit curious and your front end application requires a bigger power space, you have all this to choose from. And you have environment variables, meaning if you want, you can put in your secrets and stuff like this. And it also has some packages that you can pull. I'm gonna keep everything as default. I'm gonna click next. I'm gonna save and deploy. So we wait. And right now it's deploying. We can click to look at it further. It has a webhook. So any changes that you make on either the repository or any additional codes that you ask Lovable to code it for you, it will push into this repository, and the webhooks will trigger AWS Amplify to update your codes. There is no blue-green deployment. It's all in. It's better to have production and dev environment. So we wait. And I'm back. Okay, so what we have here is it is already deployed. Let's take a look by clicking here, and it's up. So you have your front end working. So if you want to customize your domain, it is pretty simple. Let's make some changes here. I'm gonna add a custom domain. I'm gonna add this. Before that, I already put it in my Route 53, so I'm gonna show you something. So I have one public hosted zone created. So that is why if I click this, it would appear automatically. So I'm gonna configure this. I'm gonna add SQL. It will take either both because you can exclude or remove them. And they provide Amplify-managed certificate. I'm gonna click deploy. And while this is waiting, so basically it says adding subdomains records to your DNS provider. And I took a look at the Route 53, and I can see the subdomain is here. And let's wait. It is done. The custom domain, let's click on this and let's see what we have. Okay, still not done yet. So they are still issuing the certificate. Let's wait. It's finally done. I'm able to see my subdomain that's representing the front end. If I refresh this, the subdomain is here. The interesting part is it's using CloudFront. I wonder how it affects the billing. And if you're starting a startup, this page would help you. Basically, it has free AWS Activate credits for you to use. So check it out. I'll share the links in the description below. And if you like this video and you're interested in learning how to use Amplify to quickly create your first MVP, minimum viable product, to gather some interest, this will be a good way to deploy. And on top of that, AWS Amplify has following items that you can choose. So we have monitoring, alarms, and they have domains, firewalls. So remember they have other stuff. I can't remember which one. Oh, okay. So they have authentication like Superbase. They have data management. And I'll be exploring this AI, how to add this. They have storage and they have Lambda function. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments below and I'll try my best to get back to you. Bye.